Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is your Rodriguez Mambasagari channel. A faith healer, also matarder. So ngayong hapon na ito, tagatang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a special gabay for the month of March 25 hanggang March 31 for the sign off. For the sign of Sagittarius. So Sagi, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, and spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga hagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey lamang nila at makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And guys, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads na way pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik liglig nag-umapaw na biyayang manong barik sa inyo. So let's see guys, what is the messages advice sa ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see and watch this. Ano kaya kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Sagittarius ang ating mga gilap? So, guys, tuklasin at bubulabugin natin. Angel Spirit, please give me information po. Okay. This is something the Ace of Swords. Now, there's something breakthrough. Na may mga bagay na magtatagumpay ka na may mga bagay na may isa sa katuparan mo na masusungkit mo ang totoong corona dito. Na para sinasabi dito na makukuha mo yung mga bagay na what you deserve. Yung mga bagay na gusto mong mangyari, no? Pangarap man to, opportunities man to, makukuha mo siya, no? And of course, magiging successful ka dito. And there's a page of get more information, being curiosity, kailangan tuklasin mo, alamin mo, liwanagin mo, yung mga bagay-bagay na ibibigay sa'yo, no? Or mga bagay na malalaman mo. Kailangan tuklasin mo ito, kumbaga hindi ka pwede maging padalos-dalos. Kailangan na handa kang matuto, no? At handa kang maliwanagan sa lahat ng bagay. And of course, there's something guys with the Eight of Pentacles. And of course, there's a focus na pagdating sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. Dahil some of you guys, there's a lot of evil eye, no? There's something, there's a looking, watching at you, no? Marami sumusubaybay sa iyo about sa trabaho mo. And there's a Seven of Swords, no? No more hidden, no more secrets. No, lahat ng mga bagay na ito ilalantad sa'yo. Kumbaga, unti-unti mong malalaman yan. And this is something guys with the Ten of Swords. No, meron talagang sabotage dito guys. Mag-ingat ka. May mga taon sumasabotahe talaga sa'yo dito. What is additional messages? And there's a Seven of Pentacles with a harvest moment. No, talagang lahat ng mga bagay na pinagpaguran mo, pinaghirapan mo, maaaring anihin mo. No, there's a something fruit of labor. What is the Ace of Swords? The Ace of Swords represent with the Eight of Cups something moving forward. No, makaka-move on ka na para matatanggap mo na dahil sa mga impormasyon na lalagap mo, yung mga impormasyon na lalaman mo, kumbaga mas tinanggap mo na sa ngayon yung mga bagay na kailangan mo ng pakawalan. What is the Page of Swords? Represent with the King of Pentacles, being security. Na maging secure ka ngayon pagdating sa finances. Ngayon, kumbaga inaalam mo na how to manage and control your money and resource of income. Kumbaga alam mo na kung paano mapagyayabungin to. No, mag-ingat ka na. No, ibig sabihin dito, kumbaga bago ka magpahiram or magpautang ng pera, kailangan tuklasin mo, alamin mo mabuti. No? Kasi baka at the end of the time, kumbaga inaano ka lang na matatalinhagan salita. What is an Eight of Pentacles? The Eight of Pentacles represent what? Represent the Seven of Wands. Protections. No? Protection at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo dito. No? Tumutok ka sa negosyo, trabaho, hanap buhay mo. And the Seven of Swords in reverse represent with the High Priestess, something hidden agenda or hidden enemy. So marami talagang bagay na malalantad sa'yo. Ano man yung mga kasinungalingan, ano man yung mga bagay na sikreto, na unti-unti yan malalantad sa'yo at walang maitatago sa'yo. And there's a Ten of Swords represent the Page of Pentacles for investment. No, mag-ingat ka sa pag-invest ng time and effort mo with your friends, no? Especially with your co-workers kasi kumbaga tinuring mong kapatid, tinuring mong kaibigan to, but eventually guys, tatraidoring ka. What is the Seven of Pentacles? Represent guys with an Eight of Swords, no? Kumbaga, mayroon dito talagang parang aagawan ka, no? Ng proposal, ng promotions, no? Dahil merong bagay dito na kumbaga opportunities na para tumaas yung range mo, but eventually guys, no, agawin niya yon. Mag-ingat ka. Napapalibutan ka ng toxic and negative. What is the Ace of Swords? Because the Eight of Cups represent with the Seven of Cups. There's something confusion. No, may mga bagay dito na maaring naguguluhan ka, pero kailangan mong pakawalan yung mga negative thoughts sa isip mo. No, bigyan mo liwanag yung utak mo para makapag-isip ka ng maayos, no? What is the Page of Swords request? The King of Pentacles. Represent with the Page of Wands, may good news, no? May magandang balita dito na magdadala sa'yo ng seguridad pagdating sa finances. So, let's see what is the Eight of Pentacles request, the Seven of Wands. Represent, guys, with the King of Wands. So, there's something vision. No, unti-unti mo nang masisilayan, no, lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Unti-unti mo na makukuha at matatamo yung mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga. No, may protection at pangalagaan mo kung ano naman yung mga bagay na meron ka. Guys, there's an angel's number, ha? 777 represents something of flow. No, dadaloy na raw yung eksena sa'yo. Unti-unti mo nang malalasap yung mga bagay na gusto mo maranasan. And there's an 8 represent a money. No, ibig sabihin magtutuloy-tuloy na raw yung magagandang pagkakaperahan sa'yo, or maaring kumbaga makaranas ka ng mas malaking salary, or mas bumilis ang takbo ng finances sa'yo. No, financial flow. What is additional messages with the Seven of Pentacles in reverse? And of course, there's something the High Priestess. There's a Two of Cups with a partnership. No, mag-ingat ka sa pakikipag-ugnay, pakikipag-usap, dahil there's something hidden agenda dyan. No? May mystery dyan sa likod niyan. Maraming bagay ka hindi pa lubos na naunawan at nakikita. What is the Ten of Swords? The Page of Pentacles. Represent with the Three of Cups. Celebration, no? Unti-unti ka na makakaranas sa celebration dito. Mag-ingat ka talaga. No, mag-invest ng time and effort with the Three of Cups, with something a friend of yours. No, mag-ingat ka. Marami talagang kumbaga sumasabotahe, or marami talagang tatrader sa'yo. What is additional messages with an angel spirit for the Seven of Pentacles, and of course the Eight of Swords? Represent with Two Wands. No, choices. Pili mo yung mga bagay na makakatulong lang sa'yo. Napili mo yung mga bagay na magbibigay ng pagbabago sa'yo. Kailangan mong pakawalan yung mga nagbibigay negatibo sa'yo. Alam mo sa sarili mo dati yung grounds mo. No? Itong bagay na to yung makakatulong sa'yo para lumakas at lumago yung finances mo. Matuto kang dumistansya at kumawala sa mga toxic and negative, even your parasite and users. No? Maraming mga taong gagamitin ka, maraming taong lolokohin ka, maraming taong lilinlangin ka. What is additional messages for the outcome? Ang outcome is the Eight of Wands. So there's something past communication, past movement. Angels number 7777, 4 na 7, 88888, 4 na 8 sa chart mo. So ibig sabihin talaga, there's something good karma coming in for you, no? And this is 7777 for lesson learned. Matuto ka na. Matuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo. And the Eight of Wands, something past communication, past movement, especially with travel. Magkakaroon ka na ng travel dito, guys. And this is something, the Knight of Wands, something slowly but surely. Mabagal man, no? Pero may proseso, may progreso, no? May pagbabago, no? Unti-unti mo nang malalasap yan, kailangan mo lang matutong kumalma. And there's the Hangman, no? There's something new perspective. Baguhin mo na yung sistema mo. Baguhin mo na yung kaugalian mo, no? How to manage and control. And of course, the people and surroundings, no? And especially with your friends. Matuto ka ng dumistansya sa mga tao na yan, no? Especially sa mga taong, kumbaga, users, no? At the same time, parasites, no? Kasi hindi ka mag-work dyan, guys, no? Kasi nasa isang toxic environment ka. And this is something, guys, with the Queen of Cups, no? With something emotional healing, no? Alagayin mo yung mental health mo dito. Hindi mo kailangan mag-pursue sa isang bagay, no? Para lang patunayan sarili mo. No, kailangan mong dumistansya, kumawala sa mga taong, 'di ba, walang inatupag kundi ang sarili lang nila. Let's see. What is additional messages for finances and career? For finances and career, there's a justice card. Now, there's something justisya. Napapabor na sa iyong kalalabasan nito. Magkakaroon ka ng mas maliwanag at mas matalinong paraan. And this is the for perfect timing, no? Talagang nakalaan tong bagay na to para sa iyo, para matuklasan at para maliwanagan ka na lahat ng mga bagay na to. There's something karma. For finances. And this is something 10 of Wands and reverse. Something recovery for some obligation, responsibilities, and even your burden. No, makakawala ka na sa mga bigat. What is additional messages for love life? There's an ace of cups for a new love coming in for you. May bagong pag-ibig daw dito. No, additional messages. And this is something the page of cups by intuition. Makinig ka sa gut feeling mo. Makinig ka sa vibrations mo. Na itong tao na ito ibibigay sa iyo with God, no? And God wills. There's a King of Swords. Now, there's something stop the pattern. Putulin mo yung mga bagay na lagi nakakasira sa relasyon. Ano ba yung nagiging komplikasyon? Na bakit paulit-ulit yung mga ganong senaryo? Kaya ka nasasawi, broken heart? Na kaya kailangan alam mo sa sarili mo yung kailangan mong gawin na baguhin yung perspective and mindset mo and even your attitudes and discipline and respect. No? Let's see what is the additional messages. About tayo sa health. Sa health mo, there's an Ace of Pentacles. There's something, a big opportunities. And of course, there's something, a material offer. No, kumbaga related ang spiritual. And of course, ang material thing din, no, about sa health mo. Ibig sabihin, dito kailangan mo maging balanse, guys. Nai-stress ka dahil sa finances. And this is a 6 of Swords with the transaction. Para makaka-recover ka na from that. Unti-unti ka na makakabangon. Unti-unti ka na magiging maganda ng kalusugan mo. So let's see, what is additional messages tayo with the Yin and Yang Oracle card? For Yin and Yang Oracle card, represent what? Represent what trigger and conflict. So ano yung mga bagay na nagtitrigger sa'yo? Yung nagbibigay komplikasyon sa eksena mo. And this is something self-love, self-care. Kailangan mo alagain yung sarili mo, mahalin yung sarili mo. What is additional messages? So there's a family, homemade commitment. No, you are also family-oriented, guys. No, maaring talaga pagdating sa family, mapapagmahal ka. And this is something, guys, with the present abundance, magiging maganda ang iyong kasalukuyan at magiging masagana ang iyong pamumuhay. What is the synchronicities represent what? Represent the Empress card, revert, retreat, no? Kumbaga, maaring madi-disconnect from the world, no? Kumbaga, alam mo sa sarili mo yung power mo. And there's something speed. Nabibilis ang daloy ng sitwasyon mo. And this is something spring with the blossoming. Lalago at lalakas ang iyong finances. And this is something the wheel of fortune with something good fortune. No? Something a blessing. Magiging maganda na ang iyong kapalaran. Maaring pumabor na sa iyo ang sitwasyon. For magical fairy messages represent what? And of course, there is something, a new career, no new business ventures, and new opportunities and successful direction for your life. And this is something directly change, no? Ibig sabihin dito, kailangan mo mag-diet, no? Tumigil-tigil ang kakalamon mo, and this is easy does it. Stop trying so hard to control the situation, no? Unfold it naturally. Hayaan mo siyang mangyari. Let's see what is the Mystic Love Oracle deck for Romance Angels. And there's a text message. So some of you guys makakatanggap ka ng text message pero ibuburahin niya. Na para maduduwag siya. And there's an enemy. See, I told you, meron talagang tumatrader sa'yo dito pagdating sa pag-ibig. Na laging may trader. I think this is your friend or family related. Unexpected. All of the sudden. Now may mga biglaang pagbabago magaganap sa buhay mo na hindi mo akalaing mangyayari. What is the chakra messages represent what? For the chakra, there's a renewal. So, see, talagang magkakaroon ka ng panibagong pag-asa, panibagong panimula. And this is something, guys, with expansion, no? Mas lalawak, no? Ang kaisipan mo at ang iyong karanasan. And this is something soulmate, guys, no? Maaring soulmate kayo na person mo. What is the chakra messages represent what? And this is something, guys, new beginning, fresh start. Na magkakaroon ka ng bagong simula at panibagong pag-asa. And this is your life purpose. Pinapakita na talaga sa'yo kung ano ba talaga yung purpose mo sa buhay. And your inner guidance is real and trustworthy. Yung mga gabay mo magkakatiwalaan mo naman daw. Let's see what is the Romance Angel represent what? And this is something, guys, with a heart-to-heart conversation. Magkakaroon kayo dito ng communication with your love life. No? Parang pag-uusapan nyo mabuti kung ano yung nararamdaman nyo, kung ano ba talaga makakabuti sa inyo. And there's the passion. Ipapakita nyo talaga yung pagmamahal nyo sa isa't isa. What is the angel's answer represent what? And there's a be assertive. Na alam mo dapat sa sarili mong grounds mo, hindi ka dapat nagpapa-apekto sa mga taong naninira sa'yo. And this is something, guys, in the near future. Nalalapit na talaga yung future mo. And don't stop. Huwag kang titigil hanggat hindi mo nakukuha yung kagustuhan mo. Magpatuloy ka lang sa ginagawa mo. Dumistansya ka lang sa mga taong hatak sa'yo pababa. What is additional messages? I'm sorry, may hihingi rin ng tawag dito, ha? May hihingi ng tawag dito. Mag-ingat ka. And there's a child of the cosmos, the intelligence lies within you. Ibig sabihin dito, binibigay sa'yo lahat ng katalinuhan, kaalaman, na dapat mong malaman. Let's see what is additional messages. Ibig sabihin, bago pa mangyari to, binibigyan ka na ng instinct. No? Intuition. And there's a friendship. Sabi ko na nga ba, kaibigan mo eh. Ahas eh. There's a friendship, no? Kailangan mo ng disiplina dito, guys. No, magkaroon ka ng disiplina sa sarili mo na magkaroon ng judgment, no? Something space or something distance with your friend. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? And there's a trouble, guys, na magkakaroon ka na talaga ng trouble dito. And there's a trouble. And there's something battle with the cleansing. Kailangan mo rin mag-cleansing. And there's something gift with the review, no? Parang nangyari ito sa nakaraang buhay mo na matuto ka na talaga. No, para hindi na maulit yung cycle. No, there's something of flexibility with adaptability. No, ibig sabihin nito na maging flexible ka sa lahat ng mga possible na mangyayari. Kailangan mo mapag-ingatan. You have the personal power, no, to create something meaningful. Na kaya mo mabumuo ng isang bagay na magpapabago ng landasin mo. And there's a stability na kailangan mo ng fruit and vegetables. For kang Rafael messages pa, isa pa. And this is use your natural healing abilities. Kailangan nyo ng herbal dito, guys. Uminom kayo ng mga herbal dito na makakatulong, no? For detoxification. What is additional messages with an angel spirit? May nakikita ko ng herbal like ampalaya. No? Dahon ng palaya ang kailangan nyo dito. And there's an infinite abundance, no? Para maging balance ang inyong blood sugar. And this is something, guys, with infinite abundance, no? Magkakaroon kayo dito ng walang humpay na kasaganahan. And this something support with the guidance. No? Sinusupport ka ng ating angel spirit. For the energy, represent what? And there's something strategy. No? Kung gumamit ka ng mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. Like strategy, like clues. No? And this is something man holding a coin. Some of you, if you were a man, no, ikaw yung may hawak ng finances. If you were a woman, yung person mo marunong umahawak ng finances. And there's an hostilities. Protect your power, protect your energy. And there's a third chakra, Archangel Chamuel, no? Ibig sabihin dito, guys, na maaaring nananakit ang dibdib mo, puso mo, at the same time yung ulo mo, at sikmura mo. No? Ibig sabihin dito, nagkakaroon ka ng heart burn. No? Ibig sabihin, mataas siguro ang sugar level mo, guys. Or either, kumbaga, mataas ang blood sugar or it's either kulang ka sa tulog. Okay, thank you. And just for freedom ontology. Nothing will come this situation. O walang mangyayari sa situation kung di ka magtitake ng action. And this is something, have faith in your dreams, na magtiwala ka sa mga pangarap mo. For Jesus' loving quote said, let's see, guys, I am the good shepherd, the good shepherd giving his life for the sheep. Now, see? Kumbaga, ibinibigay sa'yo ng ating Panginoon yung mga bagay na makakabuti sa'yo. Dahil gusto ng ating Panginoon, itong bagay na to ay, kumbaga, magpapalawak sa'yo sa kaalaman, katalinuhan, kaisipan, at may mga bagay dito na magpapayabong sa'yo para sa magandang kinabukasan. So, let's see, what is additional messages for an angel's number? Angel's number represent what? 888, I told you so. Diba? This is something 888 for a personal power. All that is good and pleasant in your life that will be multiplied. Angels are sending the number to reassure you of the prosperities and well-being ahead. Your surroundings will treat with you admiration and respect you to the greater good. So see, pagdating sa material and spiritual abundance, na magkakaroon ka talaga ng kasaganahan dito. So let's see what is the messages of life. Represent what? Crossing into the light. So see, today I faced a new bridge that I must cross on my journey to to the inner transformation today like every day. I will practice to the law of the universal love. Thus, I will deal with the current situation in a positive way so that continue to grow and evolve. As I cross this bridge on my way towards the light, I am reminded of the true meaning of life. So, sinakita mo ang totoong kahulugan ng buhay. No, marami pa sikot-sikot niya, marami kang kailangang pagdaanan, pero at the end of the time, kumbaga makikita mo ang totoong nilalaman niya ng kwento na yan, na ano man yung mga bagay sa likod ng bahagi na yan, ibabahagi at papakita rin sa iyo yung totoong gustong malaman or gustong ibigay sa iyo ng ating poong may kapal. Na kailangan mo matuto, kailangan mong kumbaga maging matapang at kailangan mo maging handa, no? Sa mga posibilidad na mangyayari sa buhay mo. So guys, this is a special gabay for the month of March 25 hanggang March 31 for the sign of Sagittarius. So, Sagi, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a reading lamang nila at makaka-resonate kung hindi lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagot. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. Kasi maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pag-support sa akin channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng ads. Naway pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik, liglig, nag-uumapaw na biyayang manang balik sa inyo. At maraming salamat din sa the next video. Bye-bye and babush!